Have you ever felt like you just can't get faster no matter how hard you try? In this video, I'm going to tell you some of the reasons why you're not improving and might even be getting slower. Starting with reason number 1, it's possible that you're just not practicing enough. If you keep taking random breaks and just doing a few solves every once in a while, you're obviously not going to improve. But for most people, this isn't the problem. Much more common is reason number 2, is that you're solving too much. You might be thinking,
you just said solving too little 2 seconds ago, and now you're telling me I'm solving too much.
What are you even talking about?
just hear me out. The problem is not that you're practicing too much, it's that you're just solving over and over. If you're just solving over and over, you're not going to get faster because you're just doing the same thing a million times over. Just solving is fine if you want to maintain your speed, but if you're trying to get faster, you need to be doing more than just solves. Learning the algorithm sets that you've been putting off forever, improving your F2L algorithms, improving your look ahead. I have a whole video about this that'll link. Drilling your last layer algs, working on your cross solutions. These are all things that you need to be doing, not just solves. And the final reason is that you're not subscribed. I mean, no wonder you're not getting faster. Actually, the last reason is that you watch tutorials and you watch them like this. Well, that was interesting. Oh, well, time to do another 2 million solves. If you're gonna watch tutorials and not change a single thing, then you're wasting your time. So put something into action and finally break that plateau.